Introducing, once again, a 1969 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. This has been beautifully and freshly done. Like I said in the description, out with the old and in with the new. All good stuff was put in. It has a 400 cubic inch engine with an automatic TH350 transmission, vintage air, power steering, power disc front brakes, MSD ignition, coil, Optima battery. It is absolutely loaded. Brand new brake booster. Willwood master cylinder. Headers. Aluminum radiator. Thermostat regulated fans. Electric fans on the radiator as well. And there's also a manual switch underneath. Left-hand side of the under the dash where you can manually turn it on if you have to or want to. American Racing wheels. Those are the Torque Thrust 2s on all fours. Beautiful Eleanor silver. Tonneau cover on the back. It is expertly done. Very easy to drive. Autometer gauges. Modern this, modern that. We have a also a battery kill switch in the glove box. Nice and convenient for you. With a takeaway key. Brand new seat covers with the red inserts. New carpet. Kicker speakers. It's loaded. It's absolutely loaded. Very fun to drive, very easy to drive. All the modern conveniences. Just helps make the drive a little bit better. Powder coated front bumper. You saw the turn signals hidden behind the grill, kind of cool. And it's ready for the road right now. Plenty of power with the 400, 600 CFM carburetor. Please look at our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out the pictures in detail, plus a detailed description of this truck and all the other cars and trucks that we have in stock. Wait till after the end of the video. I also have some interior pictures, some detailed engine pictures, undercarriage pictures, for you to see with better light as well. Once again, our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Give us a call here. We'll be glad to help out in any way that we can. Chevrolet C10 pickup, 1969 model. Beautiful truck. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.